unmute yourself. Don't unmute yourself. I'm checking who is unmuting. Okay, so we know that this is greater than sign and this is less than sign. Who is there? Who is speaking? Al Walid, mute your mic. Mute it. Yes. So we know that this is the greater than sign, G for greater, and this is a smaller than sign, right? Sorry. Okay.
Hello, sir.
Don't need to say hello. Mute all of you. Mute yourself. We know that if its mouth is opened this side, so we say it's greater, and if it is mouth is closed on that side, so I will say is smaller. I can hear too much background noise. Al Walid, I'm going to cut your marks if one more time you open your mic. Who is else? Anas Ali. Anas Ali.
Hi.
Mute your mic. If anyone now open the mic, I will cut his marks. Come to the book page number 16 again. We were revising what is greater than and less than sign. I was telling you that if the sign of this if it is opened in front of any number, that's mean that number is greater than, and if it is this mouth is closed, that's mean that's showing a smaller one. So we have to check on the first A. We have to write the greater than and the less than sign here in the book exercise. So this is A. We have to fill in the boxes. A is saying 725 and 82. So if you write 7, 2, 5, that's mean it is having 10 ones also, tens also, and hundreds also, right? So this is having 700. I will check here how many hundreds are there. 7. But if I see here, so there is no 100. There are only two digit numbers, units and tens. That means 1725. I know that it is greater. 725 is greater. Why? Because it is having 7 tens and it is not having tens. This is having 0 tens. So I will make this sign. Or I will take this another one for you. This one. So I will make this sign. Greater. Okay. Now coming to the B part, that is having 271. How many hundreds are there? I will check first. 200 here, 200 here. Hundreds are same. So I will check now the tens place. On the tens place, in 271 there are 7 tens. But in 284 there are 8 tens. So 8 is greater than 7. That's why I will open its mouth here like this. And I will say 271 is less than 284 or 284 is greater than 271. Now coming to the part C, you have to check part C. In part C, which number, which sign you have to take out. You have to fill here 246 and 132. I will check first hundreds. This is 2 and this is 1. So because 2 is greater than 1, that's why this number is 246 is greater than 1. So I will put this sign here. Okay, I will put this sign here. Now I'm going to check 519. So I will check first hundreds. 500. 500. Okay, both are 500. Now what?
But what?
Page number 16. It's page number 16. Okay, now fill it.
Okay.
Page number 16. Okay, coming to the part C now. It's 519, part D, sorry, 519, 510. I will check the hundreds. On the hundreds, 5 and 5 are same. Then I need to check the tens places. On the tens it is 1 and it is also 1. So tens are also same. If hundreds are same, then I will check tens. If tens are same, so then I will check ones. I will check now ones. This is 9 and this is 0. So we know that 9 is greater than 0. That's why I will write here greater than sign. Complete it in your book. Complete question number 1 in your book. Check from the screen and complete it in your book. Omar Hassan, why you're raising hand?
I complete.
Okay,
Me too.
okay.
Sir, me too complete.
Okay, very good. If you complete, then keep quiet so that other students can complete.
Sir, I do all page.
Okay, now we are going to complete the second question of this exercise. That is what we have to do. Here we have to arrange. We have to arrange these numbers in order. We have to arrange their orders, and that should begin with the smallest. Okay. So we have also completed this type of exercise. What you are going to do now? First, I need to change the pen. Okay. This is I'm going to check the smallest number. So I will check hundreds first. This is 2. This is 3. So 2 is smaller than 3. That's why 2 is smaller than 3. We know. So 3 is the bigger one here. Okay. Someone is coming. Saud. Mishari. Okay. Now, move back to the question. Arrange these numbers in order. Begin with the smallest. So 2 is less than 3. Okay. Now I will check 1 here. This is also this on the 100 position here 1, here 2 and 3. So that's mean 1 is the smallest one in all in 1, 2 and 3. So 100 because on the 100 position 1 is the smallest one here. So I will write this its value first. 1, 8, 2. Now I will check after 1 which is smaller, either 2 or 3, because on hundreds here 2 and on hundreds here 3. So 2 is smaller than 3. So I will write, because I can write here for you. Where is the mouse? Yes, here. 2 is smaller than 3. That's why I will write here 2, 4, 4. Now the last one is 309. So I will write here 309. Where is the cursor? Okay. 3, 0, 9. Sorry, 9 should be.
That is the humble. I doing the humble.
Very good. If you did it, then wait for other students to complete it. Alright, now coming to the part B. We also have to arrange from smallest in part B. So I will check the hundreds here. 4 and here 7. So we know that 7 is greater than 4, or 4 is less than 7. 4 is less than 7. We have to start from smallest. So I will write 7 in the last, because here also 4 on hundreds and here also 4 on hundreds. But I will check there which is the smallest in 485 and 480. So for that I need to check its tens, because hundreds are same. 8 and it is also 8. So 8s are same. When we check hundreds are same, then we check tens. If the tens are same, so we check ones. So I will check now on the ones position. It is 5 and it is 0. So we know that 0 is less than
Sir,
5.
sir,
Yes.
said
Yes, 0 is less than 5.
in the book,
Yes.
is this is the greater one. Number C.
What you are saying in the book, the question is different.
Yes. Number C, yes.
What in the book? What is saying? What is the number? Tell me the number from the book.
132 here.
Okay. Then do it accordingly your book. Okay. Uh, okay. I am doing with here. Like 0 is less than 5, so I will write here 480. Then the second number 485. Second number is 480. Yes. 5. And which is the biggest one here? 748. So I will write 7 4 mm, 8 748. Now the part 3 is saying, question number 3 is saying we have to these numbers arrange these numbers in order from begin with the greatest. Now we have to go from greatest to smallest. And yesterday I explained you, when we talk about greatest to smallest, so we have to check on the 100 place which on the 100 places the number is the biggest. If with any two of the numbers, that means that is the greatest. Like I will check here on the
Sir,
100 position, it is 6. Yes, yes,
my
please.
book don't write biggest to smallest. My book
In your book different.
says
Okay, write accordingly your book, no problem, but you just need to check on the hundreds places if it is 6, like it is also 6, hundreds are same here. Okay, so I will check the tens first because 5 is smaller, 5 is smaller and I need to write the biggest one. So I will check here tens, here 7 and here also 7. 7 7 also same, on the tens place also same, so I will go for ones. Here 3 and here 9, so I know that, where is my cursor, 9 is greater than 3. That's why I will write 679. 679, 6 7 9 is first, and then second I will write 6 7, sorry, 673, and 598 is the smallest one here, so I will write 5 9 8. Okay, come to the B now. Here we have on the book, you check are the numbers same or different. 71, 235 and 167. So there are 200s and there is only 100 and there is no 100. So that means this is the highest one. 2 is greater than 1. 2 is Alhamdulillah. 2 is greater than 1. So that's why I will write here 235 first. 2 3 5. Then, because it is having 0 10, so this is the last one. 1 6 7, and in the last it is 70.
76, 76, 71.
Okay. Any problem, guys, here?
I write with you, sir. I write with you.
You write with me. Very good. Very good. Okay. Now, so this was
Sir,
the.
I write with you.
I write with you.
Okay, you are writing with me. In the book you are having same questions.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
The assign the as- ascending it means the smaller to greatest.
Sorry.
The ascending is the
Yes.
smallest to
Yes.
greatest,
Yes. Yes.
and
Yes.
descending also
Where
to
descending
greatest.
greatest to smallest. Very good. Very good.
Okay.
Yes. Yes. Finish.
Yes, I finished.
Very good.
And me finished. And me
Very good.
finished.
Very good.
Sir, I finish.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sir, I finish.
Okay.
I
Okay.
Sir, I finished. I don't finish.
Okay. Finish fast. I'm
I
giving you
need
time.
to. I don't finish.
I'm giving you only 2 minutes to finish now.
I'm
I'm
me
giving you only
finished.
2 minutes to finish it.
I finish. I finish.
I finished.
Okay. All right. I'm going to mute all of you.
Teacher, open the camera.
Okay, guys. I hope you must have finished.
Teacher, open the camera.
Now I have muted all of you because we are going to start new lesson, and that is more than and less than. Our new topic name is more than and less than.
My God.
We are going we are going to learn about more than and less than.
Sir, sir, I know it with the hundred.
Where is the
I know it with the hundred. I know it with hundred. More
okay?
more than and less than.
Okay, class. This is a number line. This is known as number line. You can see here, and don't need to unmute it now because I'm explaining something. You have to listen to me very carefully. This is the basic concept of this more than and less than. You have to listen to me carefully. This line known as number line. This line I should say it is N U M B E or number line.
Numbers.
Okay, this is number line.
Numbers line.
Okay.
Okay.
Now mute all of you. Please mute yourself. All of you mute yourself. Yes, very good. Okay. This is the number line. What number line is actually showing to you? the number line is having different numbers. You can see that 180, 181, 182, 183, 184, 185, up to 190. This number line is following any pattern. Okay, if you see in the number line of one, the one is added in after every number, 180, then 181, then plus 1, 182, plus 1, 183, plus 1, 184, plus 1, 185, plus 1, 186, plus 1, 187, and plus 1, 188. In that way, this sequence is shown here. Okay, now what you need to do, you need to learn about what is more than and what is less than. More than is when you have more than means addition. How addition? I tell you, the question is asking what number is 1 more than 186. They want to ask about the number which is more, more means extra, which is after it. What number is 1 more than 186? That means already if you have 186 and if you add one more in it, so what number you will find? So you will see for one more, you will see after this number, because this asks 186, so I will check after 186 what comes. One more, so this is 187. Same if I talk about the less than, in the less than we talk about the previous one. If they ask what is the number, or what number is 1 less than 186, so I will check the number line here. I will check what is one number before 186. Okay,
Sir,
yes,
watch page.
page number 16. We are on page number
16?
16. Yes,
Okay.
it's page number 16. Now mute yourself now, all of you.
No.
Okay guys, so what I'm explaining, when you talk about one more than, so you will see one number after this 186. They are talking about one more than 186, so you will see after 186 what comes, because they are asking one more. So, and this is one more 86 means 187, or you can say 180, sorry, 186 plus 1. You can also say this. What number is 1 more
Plus
than
1.
186? 187. But you have to check here in the number line. You have to check the pattern.
87.
What number comes after 186?
Hello, teacher.
Hello. Hello. Don't unmute yourself, please. So, for more than, you will check what number comes after 186, and for less than, you will check what numbers come before 186. They're talking about less than, so you will see what number comes before 186. Okay.
Teacher, open the mouse.
Open what?
Hello, teacher.
Yes.
187.
187 and 186. Now I hope you know the concept of more than and less than. Okay. All right. What the
We now
concept here?
go in the more than and
186.
less than.
Yes, 186. When you talk about more than, so you will see more than 1, and then when we talk about less than 1, so we will see less than 1. So here we are going to go to the next page, and I'm going to write
The
here
90 is greater than 190 is greater than
more than
great is
less than.
the 80 is the 190 is greater than 180. Correct, sir?
Yes. Okay, more than and less than, it is on page number 17.
17.
Page number 17.
60, okay.
Opened.
Okay, open now page number 17.
Opened. We opened.
Open. Very good. Okay, so we see the more than and less than concept. When we talk about more than, so we have to see forward, and we have to check here after And when we talk about less than, we have to check before. We will check and we go backward. Okay. Now the question is saying, what number is 10 more than 240? What number is 10 more than 240? If you look this carefully, so this number line is showing the a pattern of plus 10, 200, then 10, 210, 210 plus 10, 220, 220 plus 10, 230, 230 plus 10 more, 240, 240 10 more, 250, 250 10 more, 260, 260 10 more, 270. So it's following the pattern of 10 plus 10 or more than 10, right? So the question is asking what number is 10 more than 240. So you will just check where is 240, and after 240 what comes? 250. So you will say 250 is 10 more than 240. What you will say? You will say 250 is 10 more than 240. Now, now what you will say? Who is? I'm going to mute
You're
all of you.
correct, sir. You are correct.
Very good. But mute yourself. Class, mute yourself right now. Okay. So 250 is 10 more than 240. How do you know? Because you check after 240, 10 more, what comes? 250. For 10 more, you will check after, and for 10 less, you will check before. Question again ask you, what number comes? What?
The less it will be down, and the more it will be up.
Yes. Now you will check for the less than. What number is 10 less than 240? So you will check before 240. Before 240 what comes? It's 230. Before 240 what comes? It's 230. So you will say 230 is less than 240. 240
240.
is less than 240. In that way you have to complete. Now I'm going to ask questions and you have to reply me. Okay, one by one, not together. What numbers? What number is 10 more than 280? Yes, tell me the answer.
Then less than 10 and more than I know.
What number
240
is?
is 240 is more 250 is more than 240, and 240 is less
This is a
than 230. 30.
this is a question, and for you,
Question?
yes, I'm
Yeah.
asking now. What number is 10 more than 280? Okay. Yes.
80
What number
to
is
80
10?
to 80 here.
What
Huh?
number is 10
What?
more than 280? Yes, reply me.
190.
290. Very good.
290. 290 here. Yeah.
Wait, I will ask one by one. Adam, just Adam, open your mic. Adam, can you listen to me? Adam, only Adam need to open his mic.
Yes.
Adam, no, you are not Adam. His mic is off now. Al Walid, close your mic. Yes. Okay. Abdul Rahim, can you listen to me? Please open your mic. Abdul Rahim, can you hear me, Abdul Rahim? Yes, Abdul Rahim, can you hear me? Okay. Tell me what tell me the number. This is the question I am asking to you. What number is 10 more than 280? What is the answer of that? Yes, Abdul Rahim.
180, 181, 182, 183,
Listen. Abdul Rahim, listen to the question. What number is 10 more than 280? So you need to check 280. Where is 280? This is 280. This is 280. More than 10? So check after 280. After 280, what comes? Yes.
Hi, teacher.
After 280, what comes?
Hello.
It's 290. Okay. Don't unmute yourself. Only those students will reply.
Teacher,
I'm going to ask question. Don't unmute yourself. Only raise your hand if you want to answer. Only raise your hand. Only raise your hand if you want to answer. Yes, Saud, open your mic. You raise hand. Saud. Saud, open your mic. Okay, Sharif, wait.
What happened to my mic?
Saud.
What?
Where are you, Saud?
Yes, here.
Here.
Can you hear me, Saud?